In this tutorial, we are going to develop an exercise about how can be calculated the shear center in a building. The shear center is a displaced center of the mass due to seismic forces. The shear center of the story of each orthogonal direction is calculated with this equation, where Fi is the lateral forces applied to the story, Xi is the distance to the center of the mass in x direction, and Yi is the distance to the center of the mass in y direction. For the tutorials Calculus Center of the Mass in a Building and Building Seismic Analysis, we are going to use the center of the mass coordinates and the lateral forces of each story respectively to calculate the shear center of this example. The dynamic of the calculus is similar to the calculus of the center of mass. For example, for structural floor 3, the coordinates of the shear center in x direction is 200.92 inches and in y direction is 162.15 inches. In this frame are tabulated the coordinates of the shear centers of the building. With this, conclude this tutorial.